Have you ever felt the sting of betrayal? Or maybe you've been the one who caused it. Here's something you need to know. When you hurt a loyal man, he's not just angry, he's gone forever, and once that trust is broken, it's not something that can easily be repaired. But why is it that loyalty, especially in men, has such power? Why does it leave a permanent scar today? We'll explore the emotional complexities of loyalty and why a man who's been hurt in this way might never come back. Please like video and subscribe my channel. Let's start by understanding the true power of loyalty. Imagine you're in a relationship where you've shown up every single day. You've been the rock, the support, the unwavering partner. Loyalty isn't just about saying you're committed. It's in your actions. It's the long nights, the sacrifices, the small moments that build trust. Loyalty in a man is often tied to his sense of identity. When he gives you his trust, he's not just giving you his heart, he's offering his vulnerabilities. It's a deep, emotional investment that most women don't fully understand until they see. It breaks sound of a phone notification, a small humorous pause. But hey, if you just got a notification about your ex texting, no, he's not about to drop some deep love confession. Trust me, I've seen this story play out, but let's get back to it. What happens when this loyalty is broken? Now, imagine the worst-case scenario. You've hurt him knowingly or unknowingly. Maybe it's a betrayal. Maybe it's simply a broken promise. A loyal man doesn't just get angry. He's devastated. The emotional pain cuts deep, and here's where it gets crucial. When this pain sets in, their response isn't just about getting over it. The pain reshapes his perspective. He starts seeing the world, and especially relationships, through a different lens. And once that trust is shattered, there's something that happens inside a man that's hard to reverse. The emotional damage isn't about the incident itself. It's about the loss of belief in the person he trusted the most. It's their realization that loyalty means nothing if it's not valued. Okay, let's be real. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you've had to rebuild trust, you know that it's not like fixing a broken mug. This is next-level stuff. But wait, there's more. You see, once a loyal man feels betray, he doesn't just walk away. He shuts down completely. And that's where things get complicated. Let me hit you with a hard truth. Once a loyal man is gone, he's gone. He may stick around for a while, but emotionally, he's already checked out. The consequences of losing his trust are severe. It's not about whether he'll ever forgive you. It's about whether he can ever trust. Again, when you hurt a man who has shown unwavering loyalty, his heart hardens, his emotional defenses go up. And this is when things get dangerous, because even if you try to win him back, he's already processing the hurt in a way that makes it impossible to go back to what it was. Here's the kicker: he won't show you his pain. Most loyal men keep their emotions hidden even when they're hurting the most. But in their silence, they're making one of the toughest decisions of their lives. They walk away forever. No second chances, and as you're left wondering why he's distant, you start to realize it's too late. Once that loyalty is gone, it doesn't come back easily. Trust is the foundation of everything, and when it's shattered, there's no quick fix. So what can you do? Is there any hope for redemption? Can trust ever be restored? Well, I'll tell you this much: if you're willing to understand the depth of his pain, there might still be a chance, but it won't be easy, and it won't happen overnight. So what's the first step toward healing? Keep watching to find out. If you found this video eye-opening and want to know more about how relationships can be rebuilt, or how to understand the psychological side of loyalty and trust, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share your thoughts in the comments. Have you ever experienced the consequences of breaking a loyal man's trust? Let's start a conversation.